It is zucchini season and they are plentiful, cheap, and huge. I'm Tess and tonight I'm making zucchini boat enchiladas. Stay tuned. This is one huge zucchini that snuck by me in the garden and got a bit big. I thought it would be good to make zucchini boat enchiladas. I washed, cut in half, and cored the zucchini. You can also use several small zucchinis for this recipe. You will just need to adjust the cooking time. Let's make the meat mixture. In my skillet on medium-high heat, I have 1.5 pounds of ground beef that I'm cooking and chopping until no longer pink, and then I'm draining off the excess fat. I'm adding in 1 cup each of finely diced onions and bell peppers, and I'm using a combo of red and yellow. A little salt and black pepper. Cooking and stirring for 3 to 4 minutes or until the veggies start to soften. Adding in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 small can of green chilies with the juice. Cooking and stirring for another minute. This is a 1/4 cup of medium heat salsa, and you can use your favorite brand and amount of heat. Also, I'm adding in 3 tablespoons of enchilada sauce. For the spices, I have 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Giving that a good stir and cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. You can also keep it real simple and use your favorite taco seasoning. The meat mixture should be like a sloppy Joe mixture. I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, the zucchini barely fit in my baking dish. Stuffing the zucchini with my meat mixture and lightly tamping. I want to get as much in there as I can. I'm spooning some of the enchilada sauce over the meat to keep it nice and moist as it bakes. Covering and baking at 400 degrees for 30 to 50 minutes or until knife tender. This will all depend on the size of the zucchini. After 30 minutes of cooking, you can check it every 10 to 15 minutes until done. Mine took a total of 50 minutes because of the size and thickness. Now I'm pouring over the rest of my enchilada sauce and topping with some grated cheese. I'm using Monterey Jack cheese, but you can use the cheese that you like. This is going back into the oven uncovered for another 5 to 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. And here are the zucchini boat enchiladas. The zucchini is bland and will absorb any flavor you introduce, and it also adds a lot of texture. These large zucchini enchiladas will feed several hungry people, and they are great to reheat for lunch the next day. It's also a great way to get the kids to eat their vegetables. I hope you try these easy and delicious zucchini boat enchiladas, and enjoy! If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!